AI has proven to be a valuable technology for startups and businesses in the mobile app development world. The versatile nature of AI has opened doors to countless innovations and possibilities for various sectors. Integrating AI into mobile applications to enhance user experience is easy with the availability of various tools in the market. AI comes with several benefits that you can use to develop mobile apps offering highly personalized experiences. Here are some of the benefits of using AI: automated business processes, insights on user behavior patterns, seamless customer service through chatbots, app security and user authentication, real-time language translation. Here are the 3 best tools for AI development to increase your mobile app's efficiency. Core ML is Apple's machine learning framework launched in 2017 to increase user privacy by utilizing device-based ML instead of cloud-based solutions. Core ML is a powerful tool with an easy-to-use interface and world-class features for building intelligent iOS applications. Core ML can be used in 2 ways: through top-level APIs or by integrating its features directly into an app. With just a few lines of code, Core ML's top-level APIs like Natural Language Framework, Sound Analysis Framework, and Speech Framework allow for analysis of natural language text, audio, and speech recognition in iOS applications. MLKit is a mobile SDK that enables developers to build intelligent iOS and Android applications using Google's on-device ML expertise. MLKit offers easy-to-use and powerful vision and natural language APIs that are free of cost and powered by Google's machine learning models. Developers can launch MLKit using Firebase and choose between cloud and on-device APIs based on their requirements. The features of MLKit can be divided into 3 parts: vision APIs for image and video analysis, natural language APIs for text identification and translation, and custom development APIs for building and deploying custom models powered by Tensorflow Lite. Tensorflow is an open-source end-to-end platform for machine learning. It provides a comprehensive ecosystem of tools for developers, enterprises, and researchers who want to push the state-of-the-art of machine learning and build scalable machine learning-powered applications. Tensorflow is designed to help you learn to build models easily with an intuitive, easy-to-use set of APIs that makes it simple for you to learn and implement machine learning, deep learning, and scientific computing. So it's simple to build models that work on any platform. Taking advantage of the power of each TensorFlow also allows for powerful experimentation with the flexibility to quickly implement state-of-the-art models. TensorFlow can power your research into new techniques to solve novel problems. With the availability of user-friendly and cost-effective AI, app developers can now easily integrate machine learning functionalities into their applications, making them more intelligent, personalized, and efficient. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative content on technology and innovation.